Amid controversy and backlash from opposition and business leaders, the Karnataka government has paused and will further examine a bill that requires private firms in the state to reserve jobs for Kannadigas. Approved on Monday, the bill mandates that companies in Bangalore prioritize local hires for 70% of non-management positions and 50% of management level roles. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah posted on X stating, "The bill aimed at reserving jobs for Kannadigas in private sector institutions, industries, and enterprises is still being prepared. A final decision will be made after thorough discussion in the next cabinet meeting." An earlier post by Siddaramaiah on X mentioned a 100% reservation at certain levels, but it was deleted following Labour Minister Santosh Lad's clarification that if companies couldn't find suitably skilled candidates from this pool, they could then consider hiring from outside the state. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.